Hi guys, today we're playing some Dragon Ball Tycoon. And I just got back from playing Don't Press the Button, and there's a lot of things happening. First I got blamed on even though I didn't say it. Hey, Trey, did you hear me ever say get off B?
No.
Yeah, cause if I would say it, I'll just tell you. Cause you know I tell you things. I tell you what I'm texting about. So that's that. And plus you also saw it. And then they're just blaming on me like I didn't. Guys, they was blaming me the whole time if I did it. And then her friend, and then Doggy's friend was like, you can only have one friend. You have friends at school. Okay? Do you have friends? I don't get it. And then she's saying, then Doggy saying, okay, you got my friend. You made my friend sad. Even though I don't know how I made her sad. I don't know what I even did. Plus, how did I even make her sad? Plus, I changed. I used to be bad and mean, but I actually changed. People can change, and I actually did change. I'm not the bad and mean person anymore. I'm a sweet girl now. That was from, like, when I was little. I do not know what they mean.
No, you start doing it at this age.
Okay, when?
It was when...
Okay, then. I changed. People keep saying I don't change if I did change.
It was 1 century ago.
If that was 1 century ago, I would be so little. And you would be so little.
No, actually, you would be dead by now.
Are you talking about back then?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
Trey, we wouldn't... Are you talking about back then?
Yes, in the future.
Trey, back then is not the future.
But that's what everybody said.
Trey, back then. Okay, was you born back then? No, you wasn't born back then. People's getting mad at me for no reason.
You just blame them.
I know, right? They blame everything on me. Like if it was me. I remember you used to blame me. You used to blame things on me.
Brooklyn, I think everybody's trying to make you mad.
I know, right? Like they blame me for no reason. Even though I did nothing. Like, what's the point? You have no proof on me. If I didn't do nothing. Plus, why would I ever call someone bad words?
Bruh.
I know, right? I never said a bad word ever in my whole life. That was when I was so little. I didn't know.
Bruh, such a little.
I didn't know because I was little back then. And they're saying I would say a bad... Okay, now. Give me proof how I would say a bad word. Give me, like, 5 examples.
I don't actually know.
I know, right? That's when I was so little that time. I didn't know nothing because I was little. How on earth am I supposed to know? I'm kind. Even Christopher thinks. All my friends think I'm kind. Well, my friend of me thinks I'm nice, and he's an anti. No. Well, since we're in Dragon Ball, he's basically an anti-person. If you know what anti or anti means.
With anime? Nope.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Bruh! This guy keeps on messing with me. He's getting so annoying. Look, he's getting so annoying. Right! Scared. Right, get out. I fight back. Let me tell him. Sorry, I didn't mean right. I meant fight. You want to fight me? Let's go, boy! Cause I actually fight. I'm not freaking gonna go away like a scaredy cat. I will fight, no matter how much it takes. How much cash I got on me? Okay. how much cash? I need more cash. And people knows, like in my whole class and my whole family knows, I can remember time past, year back, and I remember seconds or 10 seconds hour ago. Everyone knows that. The family knows that. You know that, and my friends know that. Even my teachers know it too. So I don't know why would they think I'm lying, because clearly I can know that I'm not lying. That don't make sense. I want 5 reasons. I want some 5 reasons in details. Like, seriously. If I was bad, how do I get good grades? Huh? And plus, I get great teachers all the time. I don't get it. I honestly don't get it. I can't do my war cry today. Oh, and guys, today, I think I told y'all, actually. Yeah, I think I told y'all. I'm just going to tell you again, a fair warning. On Tuesdays, we wear black. All black. You see, I'm not wearing all black. I know. Because I don't want to wear just all completely black. It's not Black Friday. Wait, no. It actually is. Because people, on the shows in Cartoon Network, they keep saying Black Friday, right? Like, yeah, it is. But
Best Buy for Best Buy.
What?
For Best Buy.
What do you mean?
Where you buy TVs and stuff.
Oh! Like, what do you mean? Like on Black Friday?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You could buy some free sales on Black Friday. Yeah, I think they kind of let you buy some free sales. Look at this dude. He messed... Okay, never mind. Did I? Yes, I already did get this. Animation. Why you keep turning the song off? That does nothing. That is very great. Who is that? I need my walls to be upgraded. Because I'm not finna fight no one. And I don't feel like fighting no one. Not just yet. We need some more cash, though. Let's just wait. What's in shop? Okay. Yeah, no. How much money we got? Okay, we got some... No, wait, we're saving. No! Okay, we're saving. No, I need that. I need all of this in the whole world. We're gonna get 3. This dude. He actually puts health on, bruh. That dude's a tough fighter. Look at this dude. Here he goes, wanting to fight me. Please don't come at my base. I do not feel like fighting. All he does is just do that. We have enough. I'm not gonna fall for your trick. I don't know what I'm doing today, honestly. Wacha! I swear, that guy's killing every single body. How much money we actually have? What is that sound? This is taking forever, for real.
Maybe somebody's screen clicking.
What?
Maybe somebody's.
I'm going to a different game. This is taking way too long. Meow. Oh my god, I really feel like I need to stretch. Ah. I honestly want to stretch so badly. Bake Tycoon. What is this? Some Bake Tycoon. Tweet at your favorite YouTubers and challenge them. I don't know what to play, honestly. It's just wasting time. Boys and girls parkour. Meh. Meh. Big brain. Stress test. You talk. Okay. I'm gonna test my brain. Cause it says big brain out here, big brain. Let's test this big brain stuff. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Can see why it's called a stress test. Okay.
Yeah.
May cause motion sickness. Okay, motion sickness. Really? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, now. Dang it. Whoa! 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 We get in there. This is not even motion sickness. It might look like one. It's really not. I just got my checkpoint. Oh. Wee! This is so fun. I don't know how this is motion sickness. This is really fun. Whoa! This is so fun! Whoa! Wee! Oh, whoa! Okay, that's kind of cool. Oh, I keep dying. Whoa, wait. Bloop. 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 Oh, well, I died. I'm gonna go this way. Whoa, okay, these are the hard ones. These are like some spinning ones I can possibly do somehow. Ah! This is so cool. I'm not gonna lie here. I don't know how. It's so cool. Whee! Oh, okay. Whoa. I do not know how. Okay. This guy like, bruh. I don't get this.
Daddy's here.
Daddy! Who says that? Anyways, I'm gonna end it off from here. If you guys liked today's day, give it a good like and peace. Bye, guys.